Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my channel. So here today we would be discussing how to make uh, adder and addition, how to do addition and subtraction and multiplication functions using ICs and at 4-bit ICs. And we're using a keypad. So first of all, I have placed here this is one part of the circuit that would be giving us one input that would be using for both multiplier as well as the subtractor IC. The subtractor is also an adder. Its IC number is 7483 and the multiplier IC name is 74285. Okay. So there would be two types of ICs or multiplier present in the components bar. The one is 74284 and the second one is 74285. There is only 4 and 5 one difference, but the functionality is totally different. They produce different answers. I would be checking out it here as well for you all to understand it, what is the major difference, and I would be telling you how to change it. So first of all, we're discussing about this circuit. As you all know that first we would be giving 1 2 3 4, the output would be connecting with pin 1 2 3 4 with pins 1 2 3 4. Then with one ABCD, ABCD would be connected as the X1 X2 X3 and X4 inputs. A would be connected to X1, B would be connected to X2, and C would be connected to X3, and D would be connected to X4. Now this is also an IC. This IC name is MM4 C MM74 C9. Okay, so this IC would be connecting it with the keypad. The keypad would not be working without the installation of this IC. There are multiple ICs that are for the keypad to work, but this is the major one which is used. Okay, so then the first two inputs of this IC would be connected to the capacitor and the ground one, and the second one, the NOT one, would be connected to the ground as well. We would leave this DAIC as alone because we do not need it in the circuit right now. Then we have four outputs we present over here, that will be A, B, C, D. Now these A, B, C, D would be connected, would be given as A1, A0, A1, A2, A3, and over in the adder and subtractor A1, A2, A3, or we can also be using it as the next IC. I'll show you the difference as well in the 4-bit adder. 4-bit adder. There are two types. One is this one. Okay, I'll also be using this, adding it, and the next one is this one. That is what we are using as right now. There's also this one as well, so you can see the difference over here. So this one is 748283, and the one we are using is 7483. So there is just a tiny difference, but we would be also including this so we could know the difference after this. Okay, so first of all, then the multipliers, the B outputs of multiplier are simply connected to the logic probe. You can place it closer as well, but to make the circuit much more easier to read, I have placed it a little bit farther. So in the next is the adder and subtractor. In the adder and subtractor, the inputs are coming from directly from the keypad. Whatever the keypad would be typing, it would be given over here. Then the output are given from the XOR gates, which are also known as control inverters. We have simply placed them and added to them. Now in adder and subtractor, we use capacitors carrier. So the carrier is 1 if you want to subtract the value, and carrier is 0 if you want to add the values. But we would give or do it 1 because we want to see first the subtractor first. Okay, so this one is output is 0 1. So it's an XOR gate. So in XOR gates, when the outputs are different, then only the output is 1. Otherwise, if they are same, if it's 1 1 or 0 0, it will be 0. So let's play the circuit, and as you can see here that this is all, this is all, this is all, this is all. It results in 8. Okay, how is it 8? This is 1 1 2 4 and 8. 8 1 is on, so 8 is given. If we convert this in 0, this will be converted to 0, and the output is also 0. The only the carrier is transforming. So I change it to 1 and this is 3. So now the answer is 3 and 1 is given in this one. So I'll just be so the answer. Okay, so I want, so it's convert, it is working as a adder right now. I off it on. Okay, it's an adder, and now I'll change it a little bit. So first what I had done was 4 minus 8 minus 5, so its answer was 2, and now it's 3 minus 3 should be 0, so it is not correct. So as you've seen, 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Now here we have, what we will do is change it 8 and this is 5. So here you can see 5 is the int and 8 is the int. And here we are getting as 3 as the output. So this changes everything out there. Okay. So we are getting 3 as an output and the carrier output is 0. But 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5 and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So our answer is correct. Although this circuit is a little bit upside down, so that's why this is coming as this. So if we just stop it and we correct our 3 over here, we'll convert it 180 degrees and just move it a little bit here. So okay, I think that's it. And then we wait. Oh, sorry for that. Okay. So now the 3 is coming like its original slide. Okay, now I'll off it and you can see that it is E means it is out of control, so I'll just press 1 and you can see that it is 9 now. Okay, so I'll press 0 and you can see it is 5 because 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Now 0 plus 2 is equal to, so this is our adder subtractor. Now I'll be converting it to back to subtractor, and it is going to be giving us the right input, which is our color file.